Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Kia Optima Bluetooth. First, make sure your Kia Optima is safely parked with the ignition on. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth setting. Then, on your Optima's infotainment system, navigate to the Setup menu. This is the crucial first step to begin the pairing process, ensuring both devices are ready to communicate. It's a straightforward start. Once in the Setup menu, select Bluetooth from the available options. From there, you'll want to choose Bluetooth connection and then add new to initiate the pairing mode. Your Kia Optima's system will now become discoverable to your mobile device. This step prepares your car to be found by your phone, setting the stage for a successful connection. It usually takes just a few seconds. Now, on your mobile phone, look for your Kia Optima in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. A 6-digit passkey will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these numbers match. Finally, allow access to your contacts and call history for full hands-free functionality. This completes the secure connection, letting you enjoy your music and calls seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your mobile phone and your Kia Optima's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old pairings from both devices can resolve connection problems by clearing memory. Remember, your owner's manual is an excellent resource for model-specific instructions and additional troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you should be enjoying your Bluetooth connection in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.